Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not eligible. If you're encountering a message saying you're not eligible for TikTok, and it could be due to several reasons. First is age requirement. TikTok requires users to be at least 13 years old to create an account. If you're under 13, you won't be eligible to use TikTok, and it may also be considered as country restrictions. TikTok may be restricted or unavailable in certain countries or regions due to local laws or regulations. Check if TikTok is available in your country. Or maybe there could be account issues. If you violated TikTok's community guidelines or term of services in the past, your account may be restricted from certain activities. Or there could be also technical glitch. Sometimes there may be a temporary technical issue preventing you from accessing TikTok. In such cases, waiting for some time and then trying again might resolve the issue. Misunderstanding. If you believe you meet all the requirements and are still seeing the message, there may be a misunderstanding. You could also try contacting TikTok for clarification. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.